In this video, we'll cover how you can drill down into the responses that you've received at an aggregate level. In order to do this, off of the menu on the left-hand navigation panel, you should see an option for response analysis. Once you click on this, this would present aggregated data across all the responses collected at the touch point based on the questionnaire filters that you have set up. In this case, we're looking at 533 responses and the aggregates being presented here. You could choose to then view this in different flexible ways. You could choose either a 3-column layout or choose to flip over and look at it with a 2-column layout. You also have other visualization options with flexibility. For instance, to see donut charts with labels being presented outside, right? As well as the option to view data as bar charts depending on how you'd like to see the data that you're interested in. You can also come in and opt to download some of these charts as images or choose to print it for the purpose of exporting it and using it in other reports, PowerPoints, or any other way that you would want to present it. If you'd like to download a sample summary report of this, you could choose to click on download up on the top right and then pick either Excel or PDF to get an entire summary. Now let's also look at how you could choose to interact with these charts and drill down further. I may come in here and I may be looking at different ratings that I've gotten from customers, and I may be interested in understanding more to know why certain customers have had a bad experience. So in this example, I have users who have rated me a 1, right? And I might want to drill down a little further to understand this group better. So clicking on these charts interactively applies filters immediately. So let's take a look at the filter that is applied. So just by clicking on the chart, the interactive drill down applied a filter immediately, giving me responses that were filtered by ambience which I had selected. Now it's possible that I may then scroll down to understand a little more about whether these came from high revenue customers. So I might click on this further to drill down and understand more about who these customers were. So through this, I've now arrived at customers who rated me low on ambience, who are high net value customers. Now, if I'd like to go in and look at what these customers have actually said, I might be able to come in and either look at details here, or I could choose to come in and look at responses and see the individual feedback. Now, what you'd notice as well is as I switch between these, the filters continue to apply. So the filters being applied persist as I switch between these, making it easy for me to look at the responses at an aggregate level for analysis, as well as to come and look at individual responses to understand more about why I received the ratings that we did. I can always come back in here and choose to clear these filters if I want to go back to the initial view that I had. So this covers off how you can come in and view responses at an aggregate level, visualize it in flexible different ways, choose to export it for the purpose of reporting, choose to download charts, drill down further with the interactive drill downs available, go in and view the verbatim to understand more.